Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a collab with Hey Bud. So this video isn't sponsored or anything, but they did reach out and asked me to do they asked if I wanted to collab and do a YouTube video about their products, and they'd send them to me. And Hey Bud is a brand that I've been working with for a couple of years now, which is super exciting. So of course I said yes, because I really do like their products, and I really, it's something that I do recommend and use like in my everyday life. So this is super exciting. So yeah, I first started working with Hey Bud in 2019, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I've literally been working with them for like 4 years. When they first came out, they had just a face mask, and now they've expanded their products, which I just think is so cool. They're in like Priceline and stuff now, which I just think is super exciting, because it's so nice to kind of like see a brand like expand, and I just think it's really cool to, you know, it's kind of like I've been there from the beginning and now I've watched them grow, and yeah, it's super exciting. So they sent over this package, which is super exciting. I have had these products before and I know I really like them, so I'm excited to try them out again. So I'm just going to first of all show you what they sent me, and then we'll get into trying them out. So first we have these super cute little Hey Bud stickers, just so sweet, and then we have a little card in here and it says something new has arrived. So they now have a Gentle Jane exfoliator, which is super cute. I don't think it's in here. No, it's not in here. But yeah, they do have a new one, and which is super exciting. I actually really want to try that out. I might even look into that and get it, because it looks really cute. I love a good skin exfoliator. So what we have in here is we have a little mask brush. Then we also have the Heat Refresh Hemp Gel Cleanser. Then we also have the Get Hydrated Hemp Gel Moisturizer. We also have a Clear as Clay Hemp Mask. So this is the face mask that started it all, which is so exciting. And then we also have one last thing in here, which is the Smooth It Over 10% niacinamide and hemp serum. Did I say that right? I don't know. So yeah, anyway, we have our cleanser, we have our moisturizer, we have like our serum, and we've also got the face mask. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go upstairs, I'm going to wash my face and try the products out. Probably do that as like a kind of sped up thing, just because the audio in my bathroom is absolutely terrible, because it's a bathroom, so it echoes. And yeah, I'll come down, we can talk about the products, and yeah, but I just wanted to say thank you to Hey Bud for collabing with me on this video. It's super exciting. So yeah, let's go try the products. Okay, so I'm back in the studio now. I feel like my skin is looking really beautiful, really glowy. Okay, so let's get on to my thoughts. So the first thing we had is the Heat Refresh Hemp Gel Cleanser. So this one says like a refreshing jacuzzi for your face. This foaming gel cleanser is naturally high in vitamin C, which stimulates collagen production and purifies without stripping your skin of its natural oils. So this was my first time I think this was my first time using this one. I really liked it. You know, sometimes when you use a cleanser and then after your skin feels like you feel like a couple of layers have come off your skin. I don't like that feeling. But this one was really good. My skin just felt like clean, but without being stripped of everything. I feel like it lathered up really nicely, and it just kind of gave me that overall clean feeling. Do you know what I mean? Like, Obviously, with skincare, I feel like skincare is obviously something that you can't try once and then give your full honest review on it, because it is something that you do need to use over time. But it made me feel really nice. I feel like my skin is looking really nice. It feels good. It feels super plump. And yeah, I feel very overall like clean, and like I have just washed my face. Like I've actually done something for myself today. So yeah, I'll definitely keep using this one out. But so far it's showing really good signs. Also, they're not super overly fragranced, which I think is really nice. Like they just smell like skincare, which is good, because you know when you sometimes you whip out a skincare and like a skincare product and it smells like perfume, it's often not a good sign. But yeah, I feel like this one, it just feels like you're doing something nice for the skin, if that makes sense. So next we have the mask. I already know I love this one. Been using it for, yeah, like I said, 3 years, so I can give my full honest review on this, that I just absolutely love it. It's a clay mask, so obviously you put it on, you wait like 10-15 minutes, then it hardens. I feel like it washes off really really easily. Like all I did was just wet my oh my god, how have I forgotten what they're called? My blush off little face thingy, and yeah, just took it off. It came off super easily. It was really nice. So yeah, I've been using this one for such a long time, and I do really like it. Once again, it just smells natural. It doesn't have a super overbearing scent or anything like that. Love the colour of it because it's green. And yeah, I just feel like it is a really nice mask. Once again, it's not super heavy or super stripping on the skin. Just something that, you know, you can chuck on once a week. Go on. While I was waiting for it, I just went and edited some YouTube videos. So yeah, chuck it on. It's super easy, super what's the word? Like, it's not really messy. Like, all you do is, like, you know, it doesn't droop or anything like that. You just chuck it on, go sit down for 15, come back, wash it off, and you're done. I really, really like this mask. I've been using it for, yeah, such a long time. And that is one of the reasons that I did agree to work with Hydrated, because I can back the products. And I do really like this mask, so I feel like that's a good indicator for the rest of their brand. You know what I mean? So when I was over in the Gold Coast, I was using the hyaluronic acid and hemp serum, and I thought that's what this was, but it's not. So I was using this one in the Gold Coast, and I really, really liked this. I really liked this one when I was in the Gold Coast, so I can back this one, but that is actually not the one that they sent me in this kit. The one that is in this kit is the Smooth It Over, the one with the niacinamide. I don't think I'm saying that right, and hemp serum. So I tried this one out for the first time today, and I did really like this one. This one has hemp, niacinamide, ferulic acid. I'm so sorry guys, you're gonna have to read this on the website because I'm butchering it. Has licorice extract. It's vegan, it's cruelty free. So it says after cleansing, massage 1 to 2 pumps onto your face and neck. And yeah, I really liked it. Once again, it's the first time I've tried it, so I am gonna have to try it a couple more times to give it a full review. But it did feel really nice on the skin, and yeah, so far so good. And then last time they sent me over a pack as well. I thought they sent me the same moisturiser, but they didn't. They actually sent me an overnight moisturiser, and this one is a daytime moisturiser. So this is the Get Hydrated Hemp Gel Moisturiser. This one has hemp, aloe vera, cutibiome, pentavitin, and this one is also vegan and cruelty free. And this one says massage a pearl size shape into your face and neck in the AM and PM. Once again, it felt super nice. I feel like, you know, really felt like it put that hydration back into my skin. So yeah, I feel like I really like a moisturizer that doesn't just feel moisturizing but also hydrating. I know that they're kind of similar, but they are a bit different. So yeah, all in all, I really think this bundle looks like it's really good. I'm really excited to keep using them. I definitely really want to try out this Gentle Jane exfoliator because I love a good face scrub. What I am going to do is just quickly go on the website and get prices and stuff for you guys. So yeah, this one here was called the All Stars bundle, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so this is the Clear Skin All Stars bundle. So yeah, it comes with the cleanser, the mask brush. It also comes with the moisturizer and the serum. So for that one, so it's normally $183, but it's on sale right now for $146. And they've got a cool thing called a double pack. So you can buy like the same pack twice, and it's $262 instead of $366. So you save over $100 for that. yeah, $146. I really think it's worth it in my personal opinion. Like I said, I have been using the mask and stuff for such a long time. If you like to invest in your skin and stuff like that, I think it's a pretty good price. So yeah, I'm really not mad at that at all. I personally would be happy to pay that myself. Obviously being a consumer. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you so much to Hey Bud for working with me. Oh, actually, sorry, one quick thing first. So I have double ups because last time they did send me the cleanser and they also sent me the face mask. So these will be coming in a giveaway soon. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. Oh, and last things last, I have launched my Patreon. I will be posting by the time you see this video. Actually, I don't know, but I have launched my Patreon, so I will be posting exclusive videos over there. I'm going to do a whole video talking about that soon, but yeah, if you're interested, it is linked on my Instagram, and I'm going to link it in my little YouTube description as well. So yeah, if you want bonus SoJo beauty videos, then make sure to check that out. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and once again, thank you to Hey Bud, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!